Kerala, God's own country, is one of the most developed states among India. Kerala ranks first among all other states in the field of education, health and human development index. Kerala is also one of the leading meat-consuming state in the country. It is considered that 90% of population are meat and seafood eaters. Among this, 62% eats fish daily. Kerala eats chicken and meat more frequently than any other states in India. But the state, despite having international health and living standards, 95% of people still buy meat from neighborhood butcher. The place is often unhygienic and has no cold storage facilities. Neither the butcher nor the customers knows if the animals came from a clean and healthy farm or if the chicken was pumped with chemicals. People have a misconception that the meat they bought from neighborhood butcher is fresh. But that's not true. That's why 100% of meat market in developed countries comprises of chilled fresh meat and frozen meat. Since the Keralites always go with global trend, people now knows the problem with current unorganized and unhealthy meat market. And for us, this is an opportunity. We are Meat in Farms and Foods, a halal meat company approved by Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. Our plan is to change the way people looks at the meat. No unhygienic bags. No smelly meat. Just fresh temperature-controlled meat delivered to the doorstep. We are SECP certified meat plant based in Palakkad with corporate office at Thrissur. Our chairman KM Ashraf is a visionary and equality conscious man.
Meat in plant, spread over an area of 30 acres of land, with international standard cold storage facility and affluent treatment plant. We employ more than 100 skilled workers like veterinary doctors, microbiologists, butchers and others.
Our managing director Ali Varikunath is a dynamic entrepreneur with many international business exposure. This is the supply chain of meat and selection of healthy animals, ensuring healthy standards, scientific slaughter, processing and packing, transportation, retailing and export. Animals procured from disease-free zone are slaughtered strictly under the halal guidelines. Our slaughterhouse follows these standards. Plant has the capacity to hold 200 large animals, 500 small animals and 8,000 birds. Animals are quarantined in the plant and conduct anti-mortem inspection by in-house veterinary doctor before slaughtering. Our cloth storage facility consists of blast freezers and plate freezers. After the slaughter, carcass are washed with chlorinated water to remove contaminated dung and bacterial load. After weighing meat, put into chillers. Before deboning, meat is kept in chillers for at least 4 hours. We have 2 chillers that maintain a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius.
Meat is deboned in a very hygienic situation with good management practices and good health practices. Before deboning, the tables and knives are sterilized. And the deboned meat is taken for packaging. That's also done in a very hygienic situation. And the packaged meat is taken for freezing at minus 22 degrees centigrade.
We will have a bio and chemical lab which follow all international standards to achieve highest quality meat to customers. Only after the approval from biochemical lab, meat will be released for distribution. Meateen has developed a zero wastage production method by designing effluent treatment plant, biogas plant and biofilter plant. We have a rendering plant where all the slaughter and production waste converted to livestock feeds. We are committed to follow all the guidelines of PETA, Pollution Control Board and FSI. Meateen has plans to enter into the export market, along with domestic sales of fresh and chilled meat. We, Meateen Foods, reiterate our commitment to provide the customers with highest quality meat products, processed in a hygienic environment with international standards. Come, invest in the next food revolution.